Okay, so let's do the exploded view here. We cannot do the just select everything and do it once. Doesn't seem to work. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to select all these front pieces. I'm going to hold control to unselect these. And I'm going to move all these front pieces together first. And then I'm going to do the back pieces the same way. I'm going to transform these, make sure I have my trailing line on here. And I'm just going to move this forward, maybe this far, because I'm going to move that piece back a little bit. Okay. This piece, I'm just going to move it back a wee bit, just a scooch. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with the back pieces. I'm going to turn that one and that one off. Yeah, and that's fine. And I'm going to move these ones back. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then I'm just going to turn those lines on there. Let's go back so I can turn the lines on. 1, 2, oops. Wanted all of them. Tweak. Turn the lines on. 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. Guess that's good. Click OK. Now I'm just going to tweak this one component and separate it a little. And this piece right here, we can just go straight up with that. Okay, great. Now the wheels are the biggest pain, but I don't think I'm going to have a huge issue with them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, by holding control, these two, and then holding control these two, I'm going to move these out, and then 1, 2, 3. Oops, I didn't want to grab the top piece. Let's get off of here. Try this again without grabbing the top piece. Only 4 pieces here. 1, cancel, transform. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I did get the axle. If you can get the axle, that's great. If you can't, there we go. It's no biggie. Let's put the trailing lines on. I'm going to go 1, 2, move them out just a bit. And then I'm going to come in, I'm going to do it again and just do 1, 2, move it out just a little bit more. And I'm going to do it one more time. 1, 2, and just move the tires out. And I'm going to click OK. And we could probably get that a little closer if we wanted to. But I'm not doing a huge thing here. So I'm going to do 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to come back and get I'm going to come in here now and I'm going to get the axles. And then I'm going to come here and get just the tires. And I'm going to click OK. Hey, so that's the full exploded view. All our parts are there. So you could save that from here. Not a bad idea to do. And then we would move on to the exploded view with the chart and everything.